huge wrestling fan. Actually, we just had a big, a Royal Rumble get together. So I love what I always have and always will.
And just for kids growing up, obviously you play hockey, you watch wrestling. What was watching wrestling? What did it kind of do for you growing up?
I think
What draws you to it, really?
Well, I think it's just the show and kind of how good of athletes they are too. You see guys flying off the top ropes, and all those guys they're 6'2", 6 to 7 feet tall, and you see the athleticism and that goes into it, and obviously the dedication of I had a chance to meet a few wrestlers, and it was they're all super nice guys, so it was something I've always loved, and something I don't think I'll ever not be into.
Was it a backup career plan at some point?
What's that?
Before you made it, was that a backup career plan?
I don't think I'm that good of an athlete, to be honest with you. Yeah, I think they're at an elite level, but it could be cool to maybe even, maybe an announcer or something for WWE. Me and Jerry the King.
Keith, did you have any favorites when you were watching wrestling?
Yeah, my all-time favorite was probably Sting. Actually, he was a WCW guy, but he never actually. I think he just recently came over to the WWE. But in the WWE, I was probably my biggest. Stone Cold was I loved Stone Cold. He was awesome.
He had that attitude to him too.
Yeah, it was awesome. He was amazing, and the energy that he brought. I loved The Rock. I loved what he could bring. Especially on the mic, how good he was at getting the crowd into it. I loved Ultimate Warrior. He was amazing. I remember going to I think it was a Raw when I was a kid, and he was there. But probably my all-time favorite WWF or WWE is probably The Undertaker.
And Undertaker's still going today, still doing his thing. It's amazing what he's been able to do over all the years.
Yeah, it's amazing. And I got to see a match. It was him versus Kane live. I was right on ringside, so that was pretty cool. I can't remember what event it was, but Undertaker was the best.
Thank you, Keith.
Yeah.